So let's go. In this video, we'll see how we can add partial payment option in WooCommerce website for free. Here you can see I am getting option of pay deposit or pay full amount. So we'll see how we can do it in WooCommerce. So first log into admin WordPress and here go to plugin, click on add new. Now we will here install the plugin for partial payment. Search here we need deposit and partial payment for WooCommerce. We will install and set up it, and it will be for free. Here you can see. Now plugin is installed. We will see on setting WooCommerce. Here you can see plugin is installed. Here you can see deposits. This is the partial payment option. We'll set up it. Here you can see plugin name. We first will enable, require login if you want to, then enable it. Deposit type, percentage or fixed. What percentage of fixed amount you want to get it deposit. Percentage I want to at least deposit 50%. Okay. Default solution pay full or pay deposit. Selection. Order fully paid status processing. Disable payment gateway. If you want to disable any payment gateway, you can, like I don't want this option. Cash on delivery will be disable it here. Now label. What type of label you pay deposit, pay full amount, pay a deposit of due today, future payment, deposit amount. Okay. We have enabled it. Let's see. And also in Pro version, if you want to upgrade it to Pro, there are some different type of feature that you will get. If you want to this feature, you can upgrade to Pro. For now, let's go to front end. We have enabled it. Here you can see 34 rupees pay deposit and pay full amount. If I click on pay deposit, pay a deposit of 50%. And see 34 rupees. Currently I will clear my cart for. Here you can see pay deposit of 50%. I will add to cart. Now go to cart. Here you can see deposit amount 17 you need to deposit and future amount 70 rupees after. Here you can see all the detail. Deposit amount rupees 17, future payment 17. If you don't like this style, you can customize using custom CSS. Total amount is 34. You need to for 17 for now and 17 future. You just need to pay 70 rupees. Okay. Even I have enabled cash on delivery, I can't see it because I have added that cash on delivery option should be not available if I select deposit amount. Now I will select full amount and let me see if cash on delivery is showing or not. Select any product. Pay full amount, add to cart. Now here you can see checkout. Cash on delivery option is showing. So if I select pay deposit, then cash on delivery is disabled. We have because we have set up from here. Okay. So that's why you can enable deposit part which showing in backend. Okay. Now I have replaced the order. Here you can see it is on hold by default because payment is not full. Here when you scroll down, here you can see deposit and future payment. You can see it here. View deposit, view pending amount, you can view status. So that's why you can add partial payment in your WooCommerce website for free. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.